Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph and welcome back to my channel, and today mag-unbox tayo and mag-hands-on ng 5G smartphone ni Vivo, and it's the Vivo V20 Pro 5G. So it's available at Smartphone's paid plan din if you want to get it at Smart. And yeah, let's talk about the main specifications na meron sa smartphone na to. First, we got here 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display similar sa V20. Actually, similar siya sa V20 talaga. We also got here an 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage. For the camera, we got here 64 megapixel main camera. Of course, we got here 44 megapixel selfie camera along with an 8 megapixel ultra-wide selfie camera. So, pwede kayong mag-take ng group photos if you want dito sa smartphone na to. And, of course, we got here a 4,000 mAh of battery. We got 5G thanks to the Snapdragon 765G octa-core processor inside this one. Yes, it's 765, which means that it's capable of 5G. So, what are we waiting for? Let's unbox and tingnan natin kung ano ba meron dito sa loob ng smartphone na to. Alright. Tanggalin natin yung plastic. Let's see kung ano bang makikita natin dito sa smartphone na to. Alright. So, yan. This is the 8 gigs version na 120 with 120 gigs na storage. I believe wala yatang ibang variant dito sa Pilipinas aside sa 8128. But for me, I'm pretty interested with that one. I mean, okay na sa akin with 128 8 gigs of RAM. Okay, so first things first. We got here the USB-A to USB-C cable for the charger. Of course, we need this charger para doon sa ating fast charging. I believe it's a 33 watts na fast charging na meron tayo dito sa Vivo V20 Pro. Okay, so the one that we got is similar din doon sa Vivo V20. And look at that. Ang ganda ng kulay na meron tayo dito sa Vivo V20 Pro. Nakikita nyo yung reflection? Yes. Ganyan siya. And sobrang ganda niya. Okay, ang ganda niya. Okay, so we got here the Vivo V20 Pro. Of course, we got here the manuals and the guide. Free jelly case. We got here, yan, the earphones. Is actually a 3.5mm na earphones. So, you need this headphone jack. Yan. Because the smartphone doesn't come with a headphone jack. So, meron tayong USB-C dongle dito to audio para magkameron tayo ng 3.5mm na jack dito sa smartphone na to. And of course, we got here the Vivo Flash Charge 2.0. And yes, it is 33 watts as expected. Similar lang do sa Vivo V20. It's actually fast naman enough. I mean, we got 4,000 mAh of battery. That is more than enough for me if 33 watts. Mabilis na rin naman yung charging na yun. And since this is a mid-range smartphone, I'm actually pretty happy with that one. Okay, so what are we waiting for? Check naman natin kung ano ba ma-expect natin dito sa smartphone na to. Alright guys, so you're looking at the Vivo V20 Pro 5G. So as you can see in here, maganda yung display natin because it's AMOLED. But the best part about this smartphone is the back. As you can see in here, it's made out of glass, and the design of the smartphone is just beautiful. I love what we're seeing in here. The colors are changing depende dun sa angle na smartphone. Right now, it's orange with a violet dito sa side. Then you switch it like this. Nakikita nyo, it's violet. Ayan, it's parang blue pa nga dito. So ayan, combination siya ng kulay niya. And it's amazing. It's like sunrise yung nakikita kong kulay na meron tayo dito with the Vivo V20 Pro 5G. Okay, so first things first, let's talk about the camera of the smartphone. So you can see in here, we got here the triple lens camera with the main 64 megapixel camera, 8 megapixel multi-purpose camera, and 2 megapixel mono na camera. The thing in here that I really like is that manipis yung smartphone. It's the thinnest 5G smartphone available right now. And as you can see in here, hindi siya ganun kakapal. And look at that. Hindi ganun kalaki din yung camera niya. Hindi siya masyadong protruding. Unlike most smartphones these days, especially mga 5G smartphones, makapal na yung camera module nila. This time, hindi siya ganun kakapal. And yes, meron pa rin naman tayong case. So, hindi kayo masyadong mag-aalala with that one. So, pag nakapatong yan without the case, not much movement pagdating sa camera. So, hindi siya masyadong, madadamage pag, naglalakad kayo, biglang nasagi ng ganon. Kasi manipis lang naman to. But I highly suggest you use the jelly case na kasama sa smartphone na to. So, as you can see in here, ito yung biggest, difference sa Vivo V20. 5G. Meron tayong 5G dito. And if you want, pwede kayo mag-speed test, but right now wala tayong nakalagay na SIM card dito. But with 5G, theoretically mataas talaga, 100 Mbps something. In my test dito, actually kailangan ko lang lumabas ng condo ko. I can reach up to 300, 200 Mbps at my balcony, which is really cool. And it's faster than most wired internet na available ngayon sa bahay nyo. Okay. Look at the display. So we got here 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. It's a really nice display. Nice bezel, di ganun kakapal. But we got here dual selfie camera. Thankfully, kahit na dual selfie camera tayo dito, hindi ganun kalaki yung notch. And yes, it is still a notch. So, medyo may kakapalan siya ng konti yung kanya dito sa taas. Kasi nga, again, dual selfie camera. 44 megapixel and also an 8 megapixel na selfie camera. Though, hindi na ako nagko-complain. Maganda pa rin naman yung camera natin na 44 megapixel and 8 megapixel selfie camera. Actually, agahan na natin. Pakita ko na sa inyo yung mga shots na kuha ko with the Vivo V20 Pro 5G. So you've seen the camera of the smartphone. We're pretty happy with the shots na nakuha natin doon. Actually, it's more than I expected. Okay naman yung shots niya. It's not the best one, but super okay naman yung camera shots na nakuha natin dito. And for the selfie, yes, maganda pa rin yung selfies na nakuha natin dito with the Vivo V20 Pro 5G. Okay, so, nakita nyo na yung likod, nakita nyo na nakita na yung camera dito sa side. I'm not sure if this is plastic, but it does feel premium pa rin naman dito sa side. Unfortunately, we do not have a headphone jack on this smartphone, so we only have here below the SIM card tray, the USB-C port, and also the speaker grill. So, not much to see dito sa smartphone na to when it comes to that matter. Okay, so, you already know the hardware aspects of the smartphone. Now, how about the software capabilities ito, the operating system and everything? Okay, so, it's still running on FunTouch OS. Nakikita nyo naman, it's smooth. And 765G processor, wala kayong po problemahin dito. Maganda siya, maganda yung kulay niya, and I really like the colors that we're getting in here dito sa smartphone na to. So, as you can see in here, we got here the icons. It's easy on the eyes. Hindi siya ganun ka-stressful tingnan. Actually, nakaka-relax yung mga kulay na available dito sa Vivo V20 Pro 5G. Of course, we got here the V App Store, the Google Assistant, the Teams, you can control the Teams, yan. Easy Share, Game Center, of course, the Google applications, the Facebook pre-installed na siya, Lazada, Spotify, and everything. So, nakita niyo yung mga pre-installed applications. There's not much dito nakasama sa smartphone na to, but what we can check is the About Phone. Let's see in here. The phone storage, okay. So, it's FunTouch OS 11 na tayo dito, guys. So, yes, thankfully, FunTouch OS na tayo dito, but the Android version is still at Android 10. So, yan, nakikita nyo naman dito, 8 gigs of RAM. Now, tingnan natin yung available storage niya. Okay, tingnan natin available storage sa smartphone na to. So, for 128 gigs na storage dito, 14.66 gig na yung use niya. So, 11% na kagad yung gamit niya by the system. It's not that bad. I mean, okay lang naman yon. Lahat naman ng smartphones ganun. And I believe yung available storage niya, still pretty big. 113 gigs. Okay, so we got here the battery. So, nakalagay dito, it should last about 20 hours. Wala tayong SIM card sa loob. So, it does help dito sa pag-improve ng battery ng smartphone. So, nakita nyo naman itong mga to. Nakita nyo everything. Now, let's check out the camera software. So, one of the smartphone OS talaga na medyo expansive yung camera features is Vivo. So, as you can see in here, yung lens, pwede ka mamili. Super wide angle, bokeh, super macro. We got here the night mode. We got portrait mode, photo mode, video, and I believe we can record up to 4K video resolution tayo dito. So, tingnan natin if meron tayo 4K 60fps. Yes, it's actually possible na meron tayong 4K 60 frames per second on the Vivo V20 Pro 5G. So, feature pack naman si Vivo V20 Pro 5G, and the best part talaga dito is that we got 5G in here. 765G processor in our test before, powerful naman siya, wala kayong poproblemahin doon. And the display of this one is really good. I'm not sure yet about the battery, but we got 5G, a really nice design, a really premium design actually. And I love the color that we're getting in here. It's the best mid-range smartphone pagdating sa design na nakita ko, and I really love what we're getting in here dito sa Vivo V20 Pro 5G. So I guess that's it dito sa unboxing and hands-on natin na smartphone na to. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and be sure to click that subscribe button along with that bell button to get notified of the latest videos here at my YouTube channel. So once again, I am Jam of JamOnline.ph. Thank you for watching, and see you guys again sa susunod na video.